everyone! In the comments below my previous video, you asked me to share with you the recipes of face masks that can be used on sensitive, thin skin with the tendency of couperoses. Today, I want to share with you a face mask recipe that has a lifting effect. It makes your skin smooth and fills it up with nutrients. It is a face mask made out of linnet seeds. It is very rich with microelements, vitamins, minerals, and oils, and therefore these face masks have calming, antioxidizing effect, as well as lifting effect and fighting couperoses. For these face masks, you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of linnet seeds. Put it into boiling water and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. As a result, you should get something with gel consistency. After that, take out the seeds and add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. And after that, soak your cloth face mask in it. You can use a pressed face mask or you can also make it yourself. I have already showed you how to do it in one of my previous videos. You should apply this face mask for 15 to 20 minutes and after that, remove all the excessive gel using some green tea as a toner. You can also soak cotton pads in this gel and use them under your eyes. It's a great way to nourish the thin skin around your eyes. So soak your cotton pads in the gel and place them on your eyes for 10 minutes. I'm just gonna do like this because I can't put them on my eyes. I have makeup on. Well, maybe you should have removed your makeup. So it should look kind of like this. I also just like using cotton pads instead of a cloth face mask. It's easier to attach them to your skin and you can do anything while waiting for the mask to work. From time to time, add some more gel to your cotton pads. Rotate them from one area of your face to another, like on your forehead and on your cheeks. And that's, ladies and gentlemen, the perfect wife. So are you planning to tell them something else? A face mask made out of linnet seeds is also perfect for oily skin. It shrinks your pores and makes your skin look beautiful and healthy. In the case of oily skin, you don't have to add heavy cream to the face mask. You should do it as a course for 2 weeks or do it 2 to 3 times a week. After you remove the cotton pads, rinse your skin with green tea. Another face mask that I can recommend is the face mask made out of potatoes. It's great if you want to soften your dry skin and it also helps with couperoses. For that, boil a half of a potato and mash it. After that, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Apply this face mask to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Applying it all around your face. This face mask shouldn't be hot, therefore, after you boil the potato, let it cool down. Boiled potatoes we use for the face masks for dry and sensitive skin. For oily skin that has tendency to inflammations, you can use raw potatoes. It has a great anti-inflammatory and cleansing effect. Have you had lunch today? I have some potato puree. Thanks. It's actually even tasty. But it would be better with butter. After you've left this face mask on for 15 minutes, rinse it off with warm water and apply green tea as a toner, following with your favorite moisturizer. I've just shown you 2 face masks that are gonna be great for dry and thin skin. So pick one that you liked most or rotate them one after another. If you found this video useful, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It's a great way to rejuvenate the area of your lips, by the way. You see, it sticks so well and holds so well. Some kind of magic.